Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to the exciting world of Poppo Live. This platform isn't just for connecting, it's also a fantastic place to start earning money, especially if you're new to live streaming. The core idea is simple. You stream, your audience enjoys your content, and they send you virtual gifts. These gifts are how you'll begin to accumulate earnings, turning your creativity into real income. It's a great opportunity to explore. Before you even go live, make sure your Poppo Live profile is ready to impress. Think of it as your personal storefront. Select a bright, clear photo where you're smiling and look approachable. Your bio should be concise and captivating, briefly explaining what makes your stream unique. Do you play games? Sing? Just chat? Let people know. A great first impression encourages more people to click and join your next broadcast. Once you're live, engagement is absolutely key. Try to stream regularly so your audience knows when to find you. When people join your stream, greet them, read their comments, and respond genuinely. Ask questions back, share stories, and make everyone feel like part of the conversation. The more you connect with your viewers, the more likely they are to stay, return, and support your efforts on the platform. The primary way to earn on Poppo Live is through virtual gifts. Your viewers purchase these gifts using the platform's currency, then send them to you during your streams. Each gift you receive adds a certain number of diamonds to your account. These diamonds are your direct measure of earnings, and Poppo Live has a clear system for converting them into real cash. It's truly exciting to see your diamond count grow with each supportive viewer. To truly succeed on Poppo Live, consistency and authenticity are your best friends. Try to stick to a regular streaming schedule so your audience knows when to find you. Don't be afraid to share your Poppo Live link on other social media to bring in more new faces. Most importantly, just be yourself. People connect with genuine personalities. Enjoy the process, keep streaming, and watch your community and your earnings continue to flourish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.